Guys, see, we're making a little movie for Laura and Patrick.
This is me.
This is how we let them know what's going on.
Right.
We'll edit that out. And here are your new improved doors. I have to explain this. This is the big deal that's going on here. So this is what this lady's spending her money on, so this is what she'll get an explanation for. This is your new door. It has been raised up so that you can put some tile on the floor. You can see that it is raised here by about, what was that, about 2 centimeters?
Yeah, about 2 seconds.
About 2 centimeters up. So now it swings proud by, you can see underneath here, that much, quite a bit actually. So when you swing this, it will clear any tile that you might have underneath there. And here's the board that we put underneath there, and the caulk with a ton of caulk on top of it to keep the water on the outside and you on the inside.
Are you going to talk about the caulk fetish?
Yeah, we used a lot of caulk. And today, by the end of the day, I hope to get the drywall up over here. And we're mixing some map for it right now with Lynn. And that's what we're doing, guys, and that's what we've been doing for the last 2 days. So that's what's happening. This is all the rock for the side of your doors, and that'll be up by the end of today, hopefully. And there's your old ceiling that you know so well. So these are the players. That's what we're doing, and that's what's happening to your house. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye.